Sick of your stories looking like they were filmed through Vaseline? Here's the real fix Facebook does not tell you. Are your regular posts clear but only stories blurry? Comment below so I can know the exact problem. First, change this hidden setting. Open Facebook and go to settings. Here you can see the media section. Tap on it and toggle upload SD on for both photos and videos. When creating your story, tap the magic wand icon. Adjust the sharpness to +20 before posting. This counters Facebook compression. Film directly in the app instead of uploading gallery videos. Go to stories, hold the record button instead of uploading. Stories under 15 seconds get less compression. Break longer clips into multiple segments. Still blurry? Disable data saver in both Facebook and your Android network settings. This often throttles quality secretly. Crystal clear now? If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.